So, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are doing the annual service of fire equipment, the fire extinguishers and alarm system. So you see, we have evacuated the panel. Now the sound is coming from the electronic sound up in the ceiling. You see guys, this is the exit door in case of fire. So this is our exit. People will be exiting the room through the stairs guys. See, annual testing of fire alarm detection system. Ufundi So we are checking if all systems are working. So to ensure in case of fire, everybody will be alerted on site. So we are confirming every part of floor is getting alerted. You hear the sound from each floor. Hiyo nasikia inalia. Haja basa nione. Hii inawakanga.
Hii ndio ya ambulance bwana.
Side.